Hey there, first-time debit card users. If you're feeling a bit nervous about using an ATM for the first time, especially in 2025 with all the new tech updates, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it simple and stress-free. By the end, you'll feel confident handling your money on the go. Let's dive in. First things first, find a reliable ATM. In 2025, most ATMs have enhanced security features like facial recognition or contactless options, but we'll stick to the basics. Look for one that's well lit and in a safe area, preferably from your bank's network to avoid extra fees. Once you've spotted an ATM, start by inserting your debit card into the slot. Make sure the chip side is facing up. Most modern ATMs in 2025 will guide you with on-screen prompts. If your card has contactless capability, you might just tap it, but for first-timers, inserting is straightforward. Next, the machine will ask for your personal identification number or PIN. This is a 4 to 6-digit code you set up when you got your card. Enter it carefully using the keypad, and remember, don't share it with anyone. If you enter it wrong 3 times, the card might get temporarily locked for security reasons. Now, you'll see a menu of options on the screen. Common choices include withdrawing cash, checking your balance, or depositing money. For your first time, let's say you want to withdraw cash, select that option, then choose the amount, like $20 or $50. The ATM will dispense the cash, and you might be prompted to take a receipt for your records. After your transaction, the ATM will ask if you want to do anything else. If not, select Finish or Exit. Always remember to take your card back before you leave. In 2025, some ATMs have auto-retract features for forgotten cards. Finally, a few quick tips. Always cover the keypad when entering your PIN to prevent shoulder surfing, and keep an eye on your surroundings. Using ATMs is safer than ever with biometric tech, but stay vigilant. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money management tips. See you next time. Word count: 385.